guys, it's that time of year. We're getting ready to go try run some soybeans. We're going to go a few miles north of here. We got a 45-acre field that's ready to go. We got the combine fueled up, greased up. We got our flag on. We should be good to go. If you guys like what you see on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. That helps spread the word about the channel. DJ's hooking up the head, and he'll take that and meet me over there. Hey guys, it's actually the next day. We went over and we run 2 passes across the end of the field off, and we found some issues we had to address with the combine. So we come back to the shop, and I worked on that for, well, last night, this morning. So we're just heading back to the field now. We're going to, hopefully we've got our issues fixed. We had a weld break on our chaff spreader, the thrower wheel on there, and the guard come off and let the beans get, the stems and stuff get wedged in between them, and it stopped that roller from spinning, and then we would plug up the back of the machine. But they were testing, DJ took a sample into Heritage Indie Graph, and I think they were testing 10.2, so they're definitely dry. We're gonna go, it's Saturday now, I just ate dinner, so it's a little after 12. We're gonna see what we can get done today. We've got 45 acres, this farm. I don't know if the co-op we're gonna haul to is gonna be open, so we might just be filling stuff up, and at that point we might have to bring combine back home, because it looks like rain for Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday of next week. So we'll see about how many acres we can get done there today, and we might be able to get my uncle's semi, because I don't think he started running yet. We'll just have to wait and see, but hopefully we got this thing taken care of, and won't have any problems. So we're running, and looking in the mirror, the chopper is doing a lot better of a job on it. You can see all the piles over there in the first 2 rounds from that chopper not taking it in, and then our spreader wheel plugging up on us. So we did lose our sun, so the beans, the stems are a little tough yet, but not too bad. I do need to get the sample cleaned up, or try to a little bit, but we're off and running. The grain cart is on its way, and get out up here to the corn. I'm going to get out and make sure we're catching everything, and then we'll head to the other end of the field. I got it opened up. Well, we ended up losing all of our sun, and the beans stems are a little rubbery yet, so we're just going to go ahead and quit for now and see if the sun comes back out for later today. But if not, we might try running tomorrow.